Chili Con Carne from 1920 by Alice G. Thomas. We gotta try it. I've got a little bit of plain here. I thought we'd try with plain, but we like the toppings. And I also have a little sour cream, because you gotta have sour cream! I cooked it about an hour, roughly. It said to cook until thickened, and that you could serve it with macaroni or spaghetti. In 1920. Let's take a bite. Where's all the seasoning? We didn't add any cumin, no garlic powder. I tell you, that's one of the things I really liked about it. Let's try it and I'll keep talking. 1920 chili. Okay, it's delicious. I'm getting a little bit of spice. I only put 2 tablespoons of chili. I think if you like your chili mild, this is very nice. It was so simple. It was just 4 things. Beef, onion, tomato. What was the other thing? Kidney beans. Let's try some with a little rice. Oh, it's good with the rice. I would have liked to have had some more sauce. That might be pilot error. I had 2 giant chunks of frozen ground beef that I thawed. I weighed it to make a pound. It's possible I used too much meat. I'm not complaining. This is delicious for being so simple. I normally buy Great Value, but we splurged today for this. And this is always in the top 10 of chili powder. And I know a lot of people don't even use chili powder. We're following a recipe from 1920. Let's add a little bit of sour cream here, and we'll take a bite of the goodies. Take a bite with the goodies. You gotta do it with the goodies. Yeah, it's really good. Oh. I was also looking at a recipe from 1915, a Texas chili. We may still do that after we do Tucker's chili. When I saw this, it didn't say how much chili powder. It didn't say how much salt and pepper. I put a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of pepper. Boy, it's just perfect salt for me. And they called it Hamburg steak. And if you research that, some people say their grandparents referred to ground beef as Hamburg steak. This is what we have left. So maybe 3 servings if you're doing big portions. You know, 4 average size portions. It seemed like a fun thing to try. It's a 105-year-old recipe. Maybe another half a tablespoon of McCormick. I don't know. It does have a little bit of that kick. I think it might be all the pepper. We put in that half a teaspoon of pepper. There's a tiny bit of heat coming through. I don't think you would know that this was so simply made. Final bite. A little sour cream, piece of tomato, onion that keeps falling off. Hey, thanks for joining me this Tuesday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. Nope.